In today's video, we are going to talk about complementary angles and then solve a problem. Two angles are complementary if the sum of their measures is 90 degrees. In this illustration, the measure of angle 1 is 40 and the measure of angle 2 is 50. The measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 is equal to 90 because 40 plus 50 is 90. Since the sum of their measures is equal to 90 degrees, therefore, angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary. In this second illustration, the measure of angle A is 60 and the measure of angle B is 30. The measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B is equal to 90 because 60 plus 30 is 90. Since the sum of their measures is 90 degrees, therefore, angle A and angle B are complementary. Let us solve this problem. The measure of an angle is 10 more than 3 times the measure of its complement. Find the measure of its angle. Let us look at first this figure. Let us assume that angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary angles. If they are complementary angles, then the sum of their measures is equal to 90 degrees. If the measure of angle 1 is 40 degrees, then we can determine the measure of angle 2 by subtracting 40 from 90. In the problem, we don't know the measure of its angle, so we represent the measure of one of them by x. Let x is equal to the measure of the angle. To determine the measure of its complement, we are going to subtract x from 90. So 90 minus x is equal to the measure of the complement. Let us draw the figure. So this angle is represented by x and this one by 90 minus x. The two angles are complementary. Let us form the equation by following the problem. It says the measure of an angle is 10 more than 3 times the measure of its complement. So we have x is equal to 3 times the quantity 90 minus x plus 10. Then we solve for x. X is equal to 3 times 90 is 270. 3 times negative x is negative 3x plus 10. Then transpose negative 3x to the left, change its sign from negative to positive. So we have x plus 3x is equal to 270 plus 10. X plus 3x is 4x. 270 plus 10 is 280. And then divide both sides by 4. X is equal to 70. Then 90 minus x is 90 minus 70 is equal to 20. So the measure of the angle is 70 degrees, and the measure of its complement is 20 degrees.